Bedford Auto and Tire, located at 4490 Lake Avenue, Blaisdell, New York. For over 50 years, Bedford Auto has serviced the Buffalo, New York area, specializing in complete auto repair and service. From brakes to engine work, Bedford Auto has you covered. We also have a full-service detail shop along with a self-service 24-hour car wash. Have a propane tank? No worries. Stop in today and use our full-service propane filling station. And check out our convenience store for food, snacks, refreshments, and of course, Lotto.